Okay, so it took me a half an hour just to get the paintings that are on the floor out of the room. I can open the door all the way. Okay, so this is just a little quick update. So I can now open my door all the way. Look at all that room there. There were paintings behind the curtain even. So there's update 1. I can open my door all the way. Yay! Okay, so after the paintings are all gone, I got this little area cleaned up here. What a mess the carpet is. That was where the table was, and that's the little nook. So my plan is to haul everything out of here and just start over. It's going to take so long. What was I going to say? I was going to say something else. I don't know. Okay, stay tuned. Almost finished with cleaning out this nook, but this is so gross. Look at this. I couldn't get to it to clean it. I got a lot of purging to do. Stay tuned. Inspiration to keep going on with this project. Binge play hoarders. God, I need help. Break time. Leftover spaghetti and meatballs.
Big day for you guys.
Yummy.
Lots of resources. We have myself, we have Dr. Tolan, we have the stereo playing crew, we have the clutter moving crew, we have
Can't turn it off.
I don't know what more you could need to set up for a successful clean. This is an art project. Really poured his heart out.
Look what I found.
He's got some very strong opinions.
Glamour shots.
I'm interested in your sense
Yeah. Okay, so I got this cleared off. And everything that was behind it and underneath of it. So that was that area. This is what's got me shaking in my boots. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so I have the dresser top cleared off. This thing, coaster, will not move. So that's where that's going to be probably forever. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I've cleared out all the canvases. And I have no more room downstairs to put anything else. So I'm going to have to handle this like a half room at a time. So this is what we're looking at. Well, I think I need a paint job. But that's not going to happen now. So I've got the curtains down on this side to wash them. Getting ready to clean the window. And I cleaned the blind with this thing. Look at it. But honestly, I think somewhere down the line I'm going to get new blinds. That's one reason the cats have tore this one up, to look outside the window. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so I got the curtains down, I got all the pictures down. I left the push pins up so I could put everything back the way it was. I desperately need a paint job, but I'm not going to be doing that just yet. So this is one of the downsides of having too much crap. Look at this. This is all cat hair that I just couldn't get to on a regular basis to clean up. That's disgusting. I'm glad I'm doing this. It's become more of a cleaning project than an organizing and rearranging. So everything's over on this side. So there we go. There's when you walk in. This is empty. So yeah, what a big job. Thank you.